what the you're under arrest. You keep fucking around. You're not fucking listening.
31513. His small. Yo. Hey, yo.
Asbury Park, New Jersey. When dispatch gets a call here in the middle of the night, it usually means one of two things: a riot or a total psychological meltdown. Tonight, it's the latter. Officers arrive to find a physical altercation in the street, centered around a blonde model blaring music from her car as if she were the guest of honor at a parade. But as soon as the police approached, the main character energy shifted into something much more obnoxious.
Miss, what are you doing?
Just nothing, leaving.
What are you doing here?
I just drove past and they wanted to fight me because I'm white.
Do me a favor, turn your car off.
I'm white myself. That doesn't make sense. They would hate me too.
Right, it doesn't.
07 is out. It's going on board. Which one? Who's the caller? Hey, hold on. Who's the caller?
I don't know. I believe there are them in front. I didn't call them because she wants to like fight me, and she got out the car, and I'm with my kid.
All right, you guys.
Yeah, I'm coming from Atlantic City to come
literally-
fight this girl.
We're having a party. We're just started. I just got here. I haven't even drank. I just got here. I picked up my friends.
Right,
Like,
and I'm
put
dressed
a
for
fucking
the
text on me, and I
occasion,
swear-
thank
Okay.
God.
And she came out the car, and I'm talking to my friend because he just got here. So I'm like, "Hey, you just got here," and she is like, "What are you
She
doing?"
whistled
And
at
I'm like,
me.
"What?" I'm
No,
like, "Who
she
are
was
you?"
doing this weird and then I stopped and
Does
I
anyone
said,
know
"What do
where
you
this lady's coming?
Meet our suspect. Within seconds of the encounter, she pulls out the oldest trick in the Karen playbook, the race card. She claims a group of people wanted to fight her simply because she's white. The problem? The officer she's talking to is white, too. When that logic hits a dead end, she pivots to her next defense. She's just an innocent party girl, dressed for the occasion, and apparently too pretty to be a suspect.
What brings you to Asbury Park?
just I was driving by."
Let's be honest. Let's start honesty, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing here in Asbury Park?
I have no family.
You have no family, so what brings you to Asbury Park from?
I was
Let's be honest. Let's be honest.
all right, Chipotle. Look me up.
Chipotle?
AP. Yep. AP.
When asked what brought her all the way to Asbury Park, she gives an answer so ridiculous it's almost insulting. Chipotle. Yes, apparently, she drove across county lines at midnight just for a burrito. But the officers weren't buying it. A quick peek under the seat revealed an open container of beer. Her response: "I don't drink beer, it's a rental." Right, because rental companies famously include half-finished beers as a complimentary gift.
So you want to try again?
No, I'm not
Okay,
gonna
you've
try
been arrested
again.
before?
Yeah.
For what?
Assault.
What else?
Officer.
Okay, what else?
That's it.
No narcotics?
No.
No?
Go ahead. All you want.
Okay.
My consent.
Is that an open container of alcoholic beverage under your seat?
No.
Oh, it looks like
Not
it.
open. Closed.
No, the one under your seat.
It's a rental.
Yeah, but you're still sole proprietor of the vehicle.
Okay, but I don't drink beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And what?
What else is in the car?
No, Karen. Assaulting random strangers on the street is definitely not better than assaulting an officer. Ideally, you shouldn't do either. Her strange reasoning of needing to be mindless certainly does not excuse her behavior. It seems that the poor people she had the altercation with were attacked unprovoked as well.
What's the name on this?
Yeah, what is it?
I'm
What's the
looking.
name on what?
Your driver's license.
Yeah.
Just tell you anything fruitful?
No, not at all.
Excuse me. I just
Okay, miss.
one
Ma'am,
second.
miss, stay
Yeah,
over
yeah,
here.
yeah, 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 yeah. You
Staying
can
over
see
here.
me. You can see
No,
me.
you're
Listen.
staying over here.
Am I moving?
You are moving.
Okay. Good. Good. You can see me.
Listen, just stay over here, okay? Stay over here. I don't want to place
Whoa,
you
whoa,
under
whoa.
arrest.
I
I'm
need
gonna place you under arrest if
you to
not,
say it out
okay?
loud. Say it out loud.
You're going to be placed under arrest if you don't comply. You understand that?
All right.
Stop.
I understand. I understand.
All right, stop walking around then. I don't care who you're calling.
As a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
She starts acting erratic and expects the person on the phone to magically make the cops disappear. When she redials, it goes to voicemail, and we're getting some serious secondhand embarrassment for her part.
You guys are dummies. Look around. There's a fucking couch full of fucking bed bugs and mics. And you guys are okay with that. That's up. You're up. You're up. You're up.
Listen, stop
You're
making a
f***ed up.
scene
No,
before you get locked up.
What scene?
Stop making a scene.
Okay, what am I gonna get locked up for?
For disorderly.
Oh
So stop
my
making a scene.
God, I'm so disorderly. You're right.
Yeah,
I'm so,
stop it.
What everybody in their houses are doing right now?
Let me fuck take a video of myself.
They're doing.
Let me take a
and looking at
video
this.
of myself. Yes.
Nice. There's kids around here, and you're making a scene. That's very nice. Good job. You're making this more difficult. Good job.
So sad.
You're
up.
Put your hand
Karma.
closer. Put your hand closer to my face.
You're right. Karma.
Where are you going?
As the investigation heats up, so does her temper. She starts frantically calling someone on her phone, expecting a genie to magically wish the handcuffs away. But the only thing she gets is a voicemail. When the officers finally move in to detain her, the model persona officially shatters. She starts hurling insults, calling the cops dummies, and complaining about bedbugs on the street. It was a masterclass in entitlement.
You're under arrest. You keep fucking around. You're not fucking listening.
31513.
You don't fucking listen. How old are you?
25.
Then act like it. I don't know what your deal is tonight.
Mine?
You just want the attention. Well, guess what? Now you got it. Okay, let's go. Go back here.
The cops have reached the limit of their patience with her, and it's so satisfying to see this entitled Karen being placed in handcuffs. That's what you get for treating the cops like you're running the show. Unfortunately, she would not learn her lesson, and there's a world of drama the cops would still have to deal with.
He's a fucking dick. His fucking is small. Yo. Hey, yo. You're hurting me. Ow.
Stop going away.
You're hurting me. Ow.
Let's go.
876 call.
Why are you
Get in the
doing
car.
that? Why are you
Get in
doing
the
that?
car. Sit in the car. There you go.
Ow.
Sit in the car.
Ow. What am I doing wrong?
You're not sitting down.
I'm 110 pounds.
From being aggressive with the cops to claiming that they're hurting her, this woman truly pulls out all the stops. It's clear that the officer was not roughhousing her by any means, and if the cuffs are hurting her, it's entirely her own fault. Loading her into the cop car was not an easy feat, and her complaints were not about to stop anytime soon.
Giving you 2 stars, Uber size.
You think you're in an Uber right now?
Huh?
You think you're in an Uber right now?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you don't think.
No, it's not that fucking. Don't worry about it. Don't say that.
Okay.
You suck at driving.
I do?
Yeah, you just made it hurt.
People said you suck at driving.
Who?
People said you suck at driving.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't.
We're not sure if the woman is purposefully trying to irk the cop or if she really is in such an incoherent state of mind. With everything we've seen so far, we can confidently guess how the rest of the investigation's gonna go once they arrive at the police station.
Now my head's bleeding.
No, it's
I
not.
can't.
Where?
I can't.
Step out. Your head?
Yeah.
Step out. It's not bleeding, but
Feel
okay.
it.
Huh? I'm not feeling it. I don't need to feel it. There's no blood.
Bleeding.
It's not bleeding.
Bleeding.
You're not bleeding.
I'm bleeding. I need medical attention.
Okay, step out.
Can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. My head, it hurts. My head hurts.
All of a sudden?
Yes, it
All of
hurts.
a sudden? Okay. Come inside. We'll
All
call,
of a
we'll call
sudden,
first
so
aid.
I had so many.
You want to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Come on. You got to get out of here.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Out of my head.
No.
It hurts.
Not feeling your head. Come on.
Okay, son, put gloves on, please.
No.
Please, I'm being
No.
83276 cash.
Get the out of the car.
Look at this.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Look at
Stop.
my fucking back.
I see it.
I'm hurt.
That's been there.
I'm telling you, I'm hurt. Please.
Okay,
please.
let's go.
Feigning injury is one of the quickest ways to get on anyone's nerves, and the cop's not buying her story for a single second. She'll obviously receive the medical attention she's requesting, but she seems to just be getting a kick out of being difficult.
Let's go. Come on.
Stop, please,
Let's go.
please. I'm
What?
telling you, stop. You hurt my knee.
What are you talking
You
about?
hurt my knee.
How long are you going to keep this episode up
You
for?
hurt my knee.
Okay.
Seriously, please stop. Just like, give me a breath. I need breathing, please. I can't even breathe.
All right, well, we get inside. I can take those off.
No, it's not about that.
Well, it's hot in here, so can we go
No,
inside?
I'm getting beat up by 4 different people now at this point. Please stop, please stop.
Come on, we got to go
I
inside.
drove by. I don't know where the I am.
Well,
My
you
phone
don't
will
know-
show you everything. I have the GPS
Come on.
on.
All right, come on. We're not going to have an episode here. I have everything. Let's talk inside. Come on.
Please stop grabbing me.
Stop pulling away then and walk with me. You're 25 years
hurting me.
old.
You're hurting me.
I got to help you because you're not listening. So come on, let's go. Walk. Come on. Let's walk. Come on. Walk.
No, my elbow hurts.
Oh, everything hurts. Let's go. No, this is ridiculous. I'm not playing this game all day. Let's go. Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away.
Finally, getting her out of the cop car was unfortunately a false sense of progress, and at one stage, she even requested a stretcher. Reality check. This is not some sort of five-star hotel, and the Karen was definitely pushing her luck. Everything from her knees to her elbow hurts, so much so that she apparently can't even take 2 steps.
What are you on? You're not on drugs? You're kidding, right? Do I look that stupid?
I'll take a piss test on your face. Test
No,
me.
absolutely not. That's disgusting.
Yeah, golden shower.
That's disgusting. All right, stand up so I can take those off. Relax.
You, I want to punch you in the face.
I'm gonna take the ring off.
Can you check the back of my head? I have a concussion.
Let me see.
I feel it. No, up here.
Stop.
It's like
Move your
that
hand.
way.
Move your hand.
I went to nursing school.
Okay.
No,
I don't
you're
see any
wrong.
blood. Where?
No, I'm
Point to
telling
it
you,
again.
please.
What?
Help
Point to
me.
it again.
Help
I'm
me help
trying
you.
to.
Brown eyes.
Once they reached the station, the drama hit level 10. Suddenly, she had a concussion. She claimed her head was gushing blood, despite there not being a single scratch on her. She even bragged about going to nursing school to prove she knew she was dying. When the blood lie failed, her knees started hurting, then her elbows. She eventually demanded a stretcher, treating the police station like a 5-star hotel with bad room service.
Officer, can I get a phone call, please?
No, because you're gonna be released on summons and you're gonna be out of here soon.
Huh?
You're gonna be out of here soon.
No. I need my car, my keys, my phone, and then I need to be out of here. If you cannot guarantee me that, then my genie, I guarantee you, please give me a phone call right now.
County vehicles removed.
Give me a phone call.
Vehicle removed, 2200.
It's not good.
This woman is really just looking for reasons to be difficult now, since she angrily demands all her possessions right after the cop informs her that she'd be out of there soon. We feel sorry for all the people who need to deal with her next. Judging by her track record, this won't be the last time she gets into legal trouble.
This is your property? Can you sign right there?
When my lawyer is present.
Okay, so you don't want to sign? You don't want to sign this?
Not yet, no.
Okay, this is not going to incriminate you or anything. It's literally
Okay,
just your
thank you.
property. Okay, so you refuse to sign it. Is that correct?
No, not refusing.
Well, what do you call it?
Can I call my lawyer?
Not right now.
You said no phone call.
Yeah. Do you want to sign this or not? Okay, you don't. Here's the tow chute for the vehicle.
The fact that she doesn't even want to sign the document to confirm her own property just makes her look like an idiot. When the second cop comes in, she starts ranting again. They had no choice but to ignore the woman and talk over her. Thankfully, she was just about ready to leave. The woman was released on a court summons. She was charged with resisting and having an open container of alcohol in her car. Only a few months later, she would be arrested for DUI.